Of war between the Bulls and the Bears on Dalal Street. Bulls won the opening round, but post-lunch, Bears clawed back to wipe out most of the games. In fact, at the end of the trading day, Nifty managed to cling on to the 7,500 mark, but only just providing some serious resistance over the last few days. In fact, Sensex ended marginally in the red as it remains well below the 25,000 mark. And as always, Anuj Singhal joins us now with a comprehensive wrap of the market action. Anuj, clearly a tale of two halves, one can say.
Yeah, tale of two halves today. The first half was extremely good. The gap up was there. But in the second half, the market reversed. In fact, today was completely a reverse image of yesterday's trade. Yesterday, the Nifty rallied 100 points from the low point. Today, the Nifty slipped 100 points from the high point of the day. The last tick was actually below the 7,500 mark. So the Nifty failed to hold 7,550 and actually closed below 7,500. Adjustment took it back above 7,500. Let's talk about the stocks that led the market lower. The HDFC twins, that's the problem point for the market now. In fact, if you look at what happened today, HDFC itself was down 1.5%, HDFC Bank was down 1%, and Maruti was down close to 1%. Pharma as a sector didn't do too well, at least the large cap pharma, led by Lupin. That stock was down about 4.5%. Cipla was down 1%. Sun Pharma as well was lower by about 1%. Having said that, it was still a good day for a lot of stock traders. A lot of individual stocks did well. Commodity stocks, for example, you had stocks like Ambuja, BPCL. Both these stocks rallied about 5 to 6%. Tech Mahindra was higher, so 4.5% gain on that. Not just that, there were some other gainers like BHEL, GAIL, Idea. So there were a couple of stocks where we were seeing some bit of gains in trade. Outside the index, there were some big winners like Marksans Pharma that was up about close to 12%. Orchid Pharma was up about 12%, and Alok Industries was up about close to 9%. So all in all, a decent start to trade, but really a bad close. Whether you want to read too much into that or not, well, time will tell. For now, one thing which again gets established is that 7,550 is tougher than initially thought. It's going to be a big resistance for the market.
Thanks very much for that, Anuj. 7,550 then looks tough. Let's go on and see.